production this, right? It is
It's
open, right?
technically a production car, but I don't think it's open for production guys.
Okay.
Do this one first.
Now I'm back to this.
That means you have to lose weight, Nate.
They get to have all the fun and we get to sit around.
Almost a pro.
So you seem to know lots about rally cars. What's the difference between, you know how the pedals go like regular and then some people have them coming up from the bottom? What's the difference with that?
Different kinds of
Pedal systems, just guys. Not
Some
any
good.
Good to go.
Here.
Do you have a Peltor?
Yeah, I think so. I think there's one.
No, this is Stilo.
Oh, a Stilo?
Yeah.
Shit.
I got a Stilo helmet, but no Stilo intercom.
Oh. All right. This is a round in a two-wheel drive car.
Did you go with anyone last?
Yeah, I went with Dave.
What did you think?
I was impressed.
Okay.
What's up?
Technically a production two-wheel drive car, but
Yeah.
it's open right now.
Oh, okay. So this is the interior. He's got his GoPro and intercom setup. His dash. His computer. Handbrake. This is awesome, man. This will be my first two-wheel drive experience.
That'll be cool.
Yeah, man. Your car is so loud. It's so awesome.
Thanks. The Focus is louder. I'm gonna give these guys a 2-minute window
Okay.
because it's my sister and another kid.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
They're the slow one.
I'm gonna open the door then.
Open window.
Woo! Oh, the window's open. Beautiful. This gets damn on here, eh? So how long have you been racing for?
I've been racing for, this is my 3rd season.
Okay.
My 1st season was in that Focus actually.
Yeah.
And then after that, I got into this.
Yeah, hey? Alright, here we go.
Close.
I'm ready for this.
Let me put it this way, I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but I'm faster than Dave Wilson.
Alright, let's go this way then. Yeah. That sounds so good. So
How was
good.
it compared?
I was definitely faster.
Definitely faster?
The sound too, right?
Yeah.
Because Dave's car is quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, this car sounds so good. So why an RSX?
Huh?
Why an RSX?
We got it as a trade-in
Okay.
with like all the parts.
Yeah.
We just had to assemble it.
Yeah.
And actually, this car actually used to be a track car.
Okay.
And it was already stripped and stuff, but didn't have the cage
Right.
in it. So we stripped it, put the cage in. It had a supercharged motor, we took the supercharged motor out.
Yeah.
All stock. Drivetrain is completely stock.
Really?
Like engine, tranny, all that stuff is stock.
Yeah.
Put an ECU.
Yeah. That's
Guys
crazy.
built the front suspension.
Yeah.
Bought the back suspension.
Yeah.
And this is really a production car.
Right.
It's not a like stock dash, stock pedals.
Right.
All the glass is still on. So
That's sweet.
we will be selling the car at the end of the week.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
No problem.
That was so good. Woo, it's hot.
Yeah.
How's that?
Awesome. Awesome.
So you got Christy gonna be coming in now.
Sounds good.